Oh, this should be fun. That's crazy.
Hey, how's it going, sir?
Good, how you doing, sir?
I'm good. I'm Officer Tully West Hills DUI Task Force. We're just out checking for impaired drivers
Sure.
tonight. Thank you. How's your night going?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good.
No,
you're
down
good.
if you
I
need
can-
it.
I
It's a
can
little
see it.
dark.
Anything to drink tonight? Anything to smoke? Nothing like that?
Sir, no.
All right. Where you coming from?
The racetrack,
Gotcha.
or the speedway.
I got you. All right.
I'm heading to Sheetz. I'm coming back this way, so I don't know if...
No, we don't have anything set
Oh,
up.
okay.
outside, so we're good.
All right.
All right, man.
All right, thanks.
Have a good one.
You too.
Welcome to our car wash.
Few inches later.
What, are they setting something up on this side now? What the? Ooh. What's going on here? Someone trying probably, I don't know. This is weird. This guy just went through a run. Okay. Oh, it's on this side now too? Oh my god. The guy said we didn't have any on this side. I gotta go through this again. The reason I'm coming back this way, in case you're wondering, is because that Sheetz there is the only place I can get my car washed because they're touchless, so I don't know if we're gonna have to go through this again or what the deal is. I didn't think I'd have to wait through this again. Jesus. There's a roll of back window down this time. Cause, shh, we got tinted windows. Dude, there are like so many cops. It's insane how much goes into this. Like, there's Pittsburgh police, there's troopers, there's like everyone and their mother is at this thing. So they are doing it on this side. I'm gonna go through this again. Oh my god. They're gonna think I'm nuts. Good, how you doing?
Got driver's license with you?
Yeah.
Did you already come through here?
Yeah, I was told the guy went to the, had to go to the Sheetz down there. I went to the car wash.
Yeah, I remember seeing your car.
Okay.
You got a lot of things going on.
I know.
You can't really forget it.
I know. I had to get my,
Worth it to go to Sheetz?
yeah, I had to get, they're the only ones that have the touchless car wash. You can't go, like they're all, the one in
Yeah,
Moon.
but it doesn't really get everything off, you know what I mean? I know what you're
I know.
because you don't want your ride scratched.
Well, no, because I have that spoiler on there, and that brushes will, I'm afraid it'll tear it off. And I'm so bummed because the one in Moon is $20 a month. I would totally do that, but they have
Yeah, I
brushes.
didn't think about that.
Yeah.
That's kind of,
So I have to go all the way out to this one to wash
get
it.
out,
So
man, just do it.
I know. Sometimes I'll hand wash it, and it definitely is better.
Smart.
But yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I know what you mean.
It does a good job though for $7.
Yeah, for a quick job.
Yeah.
You know,
Now-
but to do it right, you got to get out.
You gotta,
Just
you gotta,
get the
yeah,
sponge on it and
yep,
get that zip wax on it.
yeah,
You know, to pick up your buddies.
yeah.
Fix the tire. You
That's
know,
it.
you do.
Yeah.
I would too.
Yeah.
It's a cool car. All right.
Thanks, man. Hey, be safe.
This road?
That's the reason I don't go to the touchless or the ones with the brushes, because you know that brush gets caught in one of those, you know, those aftermarket parts. I don't even want to deal with that nonsense. So when I just need a quick wash, I'll go to. I have to go all the way to that Sheetz out here. It's the best. And I don't know why my Sheetz near me changed to Sheetz. If you're watching this, please stop changing all your car washes to brushes again. It's so stupid. Hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog. Didn't think we'd have to go through. They must have just set that up, which was really weird. So I don't know, because the one guy, the first guy, as you saw, was like, oh, we don't have any on the other side. And shebang, there they did. So there you have it. That was fun. That's how to get through a DUI checkpoint without having to show your license. Just go through it twice. So that was just here on my second vlog channel, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little snippet. Thanks for watching.